Hey everyone! Welcome back to the place where we break down cybersecurity concepts in a way that just clicks. Today we're breaking down the most common and dangerous network attacks you need to know. Whether you're new to cybersecurity or just brushing up on the basics, understanding these attacks can help you recognize warning signs and protect your data before it's too late. Let's start with brute force attacks. Imagine a thief trying every possible combination on a padlock until it opens. That's what a brute force attack does, only with passwords. Attackers use automated tools to guess login credentials until they get it right. The fix: strong passwords, account lockout policies, and multi-factor authentication. Next up, the infamous man-in-the-middle attack, or MITM. Picture this: you're sending a letter to a friend, but someone intercepts it, reads it, maybe even changes it, and then passes it on without you knowing. That's MITM. It happens when attackers insert themselves between two communicating parties, often on unsecured Wi-Fi networks. Always use HTTPS and VPNs to guard against this sneaky trick. Another big one is the denial of service attack, or DDoS. Imagine calling a pizza place and having thousands of people jam the phone lines so real customers can't get through. That's what a DDoS attack does to servers by overwhelming them with traffic. A distributed version of this, called DDoS, uses multiple systems to launch the flood. Protection involves firewalls, rate limiting, and specialized anti-DDoS services. Then we have DNS spoofing. This one's like changing the address in a phone book, so when someone tries to visit a trusted website, they end up at a fake one. Attackers corrupt DNS records to redirect traffic to malicious sites. To avoid this, use DNSSEC and reputable DNS providers. Let's not forget about sniffing attacks. These involve intercepting data as it travels across a network, kind of like someone eavesdropping on a private conversation. Public Wi-Fi is a goldmine for sniffers. Encryption is your best defense here, especially via HTTPS and VPNs. Finally, there's session hijacking. After you log into a website, your session is like a backstage pass. Attackers try to steal this pass and impersonate you. They do this by grabbing session cookies, often through cross-site scripting or packet sniffing. Using secure cookies and enabling HTTP-only flags can reduce the risk. The world of network attacks is vast, but knowing these fundamentals is a huge first step in defending against them. Stay sharp, stay curious, and always think before you click. We also have a whole playlist of videos covering networking concepts, including training that aligns with the CompTIA Network Plus certification. Be sure to check it out if you're ready to go deeper. Give us a like and hit subscribe for more cybersecurity tips. Catch you next time.